Hi, thank you so much for entering this video. We're going to see how with this super straightforward automation you can save more than 20 hours per month and how this system actually works. So first of all, I want to introduce myself, who I am. I am Emir Darwich. I'm the co-founder of Quick Build Automation, a digital agency that have been helping more than 20 businesses in the past 7 months to streamline their operations and be able to scale through AI. So let's see. This workflow that I'm going to basically explain right now is for the automation for the system that we're going to basically see how it works in a minute. So as you can see, you probably are thinking how with a 4-step automation I can save more than 20 hours per month, because 20 hours are actually too many hours, and when we are talking about work, we're talking about basically money. You can save these 20 hours per month. So first of all, I'm going to put you in context of why this automation basically exists. This automation is for a finance company that basically gave to me some instruction of the process that they want to automate. Is basically for loan application processes that basically in a finance company you can go and fill the different stuff that you need for that are requirements for different firms that gave to you credit or different funding for your company. And when you are wanting this type of applications, you need to have different information in your loan application, as your, for example, balance sheet, your profit and loss statement, and your debt, and all of that finance stuff. So in the process, they need to read and basically examine these different documents. And in basically when you are reading these documents and give a ton of different analyses, you are wasting basically so much time, because you can do it with AI. And we're going to see how it works with Airtable dashboard and different AI features. So first of all, how the workflow is. The trigger here is once you submit a form with the files. In this example, we're going to basically upload one only file, basically for testing purposes, and we're going to continue. So once we have the files, the automation is going to convert it to text, because we can't give it the basically file, for example, a PDF file to AI, because it's not going to recognize any information. So once we have the text, we're going to give it to a AI agent that is going to analyze and going to write our loan application, and we're going to see the result in a Airtable dashboard. So let's jump to N8N to see the actual system. So we are here in executions, and as you can see, I basically started with a first submission of N8N. And why I do it with the feature that have N8N for basically form, because it's very practical, and when you are in these stages of developing, you want to be the more quickly that you can. So I don't want any fancy form for these stages, because this also is an internal processes. Any client is going to basically see it, and you can basically do it in a more quick and efficient way with this feature that is basically you don't need to any other software of basically create a form. You can do it with anything. So as I said, after we have the files, we're going to extract the information from the files, and we're going to give it to a AI agent. And as you can see, this AI agent doesn't have memory or tools, because this is a very basic automation, and I don't want to basically give more advanced to this, for example, MVP system, because we only want to see the functionality and how it can probably work. So once we have the result, it's going to see in Airtable. So let's go to Airtable, to the dashboard, and see how it's working. So as you can see, I have some examples because I was testing this for this YouTube video, and we're going to do it right now. So we're going to create a new application. We're going to call it one, okay, and we're going to drop the balance sheet of my fictional company that I basically made with ChatGPT. You can do it also. For example, you can basically type you are an expert in finance and let's create a balance sheet for a loan application, blah 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 blah, blah. It doesn't matter in this video. So if you want to a video of how you can improve your prompts, let me know in the comments, but in this video we're not covering that. So we're going to click submit and we're going to go to N8N to see the execution. So right here is running our basically form submission, and in maybe 1 second or 2 we're going to have the result in Airtable. So as you can see, also I want to mention the this Airtable feature that is very practical, that you can basically, if you don't use Airtable, I highly recommend you this platform, because you can also create from zero with a prompt a completely functional application. It's not an application, but you can use it for these purposes, for example for automations and for example for CRM and other stuff. But for dashboards it looks pretty well. As you can see, you can add, for example, these features that is an external link, and as you can see it working right now. So if you want a more deep video of basically the Airtable AI and how you can use it and with a prompt for an application, let me know. So let's see the results. So as you can see, in most cases the AI is going to give to us the different things that we missed in our loan application process, because we're giving to them for example, let's imagine we're going to a lawyer and you have to give to them the different documents of, for example, I don't know, the different documents that you have to give it to a lawyer, in this case for a agent or for a finance agent. So he's going to basically give to you an answer. For example, oh, you have to need the debt and loss document, the profit and loss, the balance sheet, and for example 6 documents. And if you only upload one, you're going to have this. For example, okay, we have this document available, the balance sheet, but we need the income statement, the tax returns, the credit reports, the bank statement. In this video I'm only uploading one document because I'm testing this for you, but in the right way you can basically upload the different documents that you have, and you're going to have the whole loan application in basically in the right way, in a complete way. But as you can see, we have the information that we gave to the AI, and in the section of financial position, because this whole, as I said, is basically a loan application analysis and generation that AI gave to us. So this is the functionality. If you basically find in this video a basically value on how you can create automations, we're going to see more in depth in other videos, like from zero to have this type of simple automations. Obviously we're going to see more hard knowledge and hard automations that can automate other processes, but for this video is a pretty basically straightforward automation that you can start, and you can save tons of hours for businesses and for your business. So let me know in the comments if you find value in this video, and we're going to see ourselves in other videos. So thank you so much for your time, and bye.